Reach has given us an opportunity to pull together all of our skills as Eadon Consulting. We developed Reach because we could see a real need for a modular access system. Lots of people were developing sensors and tools, but we wanted to give them a way of deploying those sensors and tools into a cell where they needed to get them to. It works by having a simple set of tubes that can be deployed through a 6-inch port. Mounted on those tubes, you can have a carriage, and the carriage can drive itself backwards and forwards along the tubes that have been deployed. We also have the option, if we want to, of deploying some kind of tooling or sensor on the ends of the poles as well, and that enables us to give a different deployment solution if we need to. It's entirely developed, so it isn't linked to a particular sensor or a particular technique. It's developed so people can come to us with a technique and say, how do I get this into a cell? And we can solve that for them. It's modular, so the operators are familiar with it and know how to use it. And each time you come to a different deployment, you can just put the different modules together and deliver the solution that you need. So we're using lightweight materials such as aircraft aluminium and carbon fibre, which means we can reduce the weight of components, and keeping stuff as simple as we possibly could, using off-the-shelf components where we can, so it's easy and simple to put together and easy and simple to use, and equally if something breaks we can replace it. That gives us a really lightweight, easy to use solution that can deploy a long way into a cell carrying a large payload. It can deploy at least 7 to 8 metres into the cell, and it can also remove off-axis from that deployment axis. The advantages of that is it means that it could be really good for doing radiometric surveys. So you can survey a volume of space, which gives you much better data, a much better clarity of data, and the integrity of it is improved. And it's also possible to do that in a faster and more repeatable manner, so your quality of data is improved as well. What we now want to do is take it from where it is into a solution that can be deployed in an active environment in a reliable and safe manner. Over the last few years, Eadon Consulting have been developing our R&D capability within the nuclear sector, and what we've been trying to do is address some of the NDA's grand challenges. We're working across a number of different projects with a number of different themes. We've got an innovative waste container that's going to be cheaper to manufacture, as well as easier to use and easier to fill. We've developed and deployed a novel diamond wire cutting capability on site at Sellafield. We're developing the Reach system, which is aimed at post-operational clean-out on Sellafield site, so giving people the ability to go into a cell and deploy sensors and other interventions and be able to gain data and bring data back. So what we're now looking to do is build on that capability that we've developed over the last 2 or 3 years, looking to spread into academic research and work in collaboration with universities, as well as looking to actually have more active deployments on site, so we can cover that whole range from academic research right the way through to solution delivery on site. So what we've really enjoyed as a business is some of the challenges posed within the nuclear sector and being able to solve those problems, and what we're looking forward to do is solving more of those problems in the future.